Peyton Wirebaugh from Comal County, and I'm a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Today, I'll be talking about air fryers. An air fryer uses superheated air to cook food and gives results similar to deep frying or high-temperature roasting. Air fryers use the same technology as convection ovens, but blow air in a more compact cylinder. Therefore, the food is cooked more efficiently, with the final results being foods with brown, crispy exteriors and tender, moist interiors. Air fryers come in different shapes, sizes, and models, so it's always important to read the owner's manual before using the equipment. With this air fryer, the first step is to preheat the fryer. Then, take the food and place it into the fryer basket and insert the basket into the main unit. Then start the controls and choose the correct temperature and time for the ingredients you're cooking. Once the food is done, take it out and put it on a heat-resistant surface and use tongs to remove the food safely without getting any burns. Some safety tips to remember while using an air fryer are to first read the owner's manual and instructions very carefully before using the appliance. Because this is an electrical appliance, you want to keep it away from water and only get the washable parts wet. Because the air fryer uses intense heat, you need to be sure to use oven mitts when handling the fryer basket to prevent burns. Finally, even though fryer is in the name, you never want to pour oil into the outer basket. A fun fact about the air fryer is that it's not only great for making fried foods in a more healthy way, but it also does an amazing job of reheating takeout foods, and it can even be used in place of an oven in certain types of recipes, like these chocolate croissants I made, where I took crescent roll dough and spread Nutella on there and rolled them up and put them in my air fryer for 8 minutes on the baking setting. Happy cooking and have a great day. Bye!